Good morning, art friends. I'm coming at you today with an impromptu message to let you know about some exciting news for the channel. Long story short, your support of my art tutorials have been carrying the channel for almost a decade, and I've been working behind the scenes to create a cohesive and engaging set of art tutorials that will be available here for free, as well as some in-depth content through my site. Some reasons for the lack of recent postings include, but are not limited to, we moved to a new house in a new town. I got a new job teaching art full-time. I went from teaching 40 art students to 640 art students. And I'm transitioning my business to a more exciting and service-oriented offering. And we did all this while enduring a global pandemic. That said, I'm learning a lot about art and art history, and I want to share what I'm learning with you. Our new house has a garage that I plan to turn into a garage studio storage playroom type of place, hereby referred to as the Garudio. That's subject to change. My handle for the channel will probably be Mr. Hen because that is what many of my art students call me, and I like chickens, especially Hey Hey. To get the studio ready for a consistent production schedule, there is much to be done, from clearing out the space to designing the set, choosing the best instruction tools, lighting, sound, and camera setup, plus the vast array of things I can't foresee but will definitely encounter along the way. I don't have a timeline set, but it is currently in the works, and I will give significant updates as I have them, and know that I am excited to see this project come to fruition. Thank you for all of the likes and subs. If you haven't liked this video yet, well, that's just crazy. And if you're not a sub yet, we would love to have you, so please consider joining. Until the next video, take care of yourself and those around you, and have a great day.